Hello friends, this is Mainak from Civil Center and I welcome all of you to the episode number 4 of G+3 Building Design using Tekla Structural Designer. So friends, in the previous video we had completed up to the assigning and joining of the beams. Now, in today's video, we'll work on the slabs. So let's get started. So first of all, in our model, we'll go to our structure 1 and go to slab on beams and then we'll insert slab. All the slabs are two-way slabs. So we can simply insert these two-way slabs. We need to remember that we are using grade of concrete as M20. This portion is the staircase portion, so we've left it out. Now, going back to the base, that is the plinth level, this is our foundation level and this is our structure 3D. We'll go back to our construction levels and we can copy slabs to the other levels from the ground floor slab level. So as you can see, all the slabs have been copied. Now we can simply go back to our construction levels and make the levels as unique so that any other changes are not done. Now these four columns are representing the headroom. So we'll go to our construction levels and first of all we'll go to the construction levels and the source of all the levels will do unique, okay, and then we'll add a construction level for the headroom. Headroom height we're taking as 2.8 meters, which is approximately around 9 feet. So headroom height, so these four columns will extend up to the height of headroom, as you can see. Now we'll go to our properties and then change it to structure 5, that is the height of the headroom level. So after that, as you can see, we can put a slab here, beam here. After the insertion of the beams, we can put the slab because we are selecting the option of slab on beams. As you can see, the model is ready. Next, we'll go towards the assigning of the loads and perform any other changes in the model. So that's all for today's video. In the next video, we'll do some of the loading part. So if you want more basic videos on Tekla Structural Designer, you can watch our earlier videos, or if you want to join us online and train with us, you can contact on 9777 46 9666. And also we have started a Civil Center Student Club CCSC, where we train civil engineering students and graduates on various courses related to civil engineering. You can contact us. You can mail at enquiry@civilcenter.in, or you can simply call or WhatsApp at 9777 46 9666. 9777 46 9666. See you in the next video, guys, and please do keep on commenting, because through your comments only we get to know in which topics you are interested in. Bye bye.